Well, here we are, 2009, and it's snowing, so we're going to sneak up and we're going to see the gnome village, because Father Christmas is there already. So let's just sneak up and have a look. That's the lake. As you can see, there's been a fair bit of snow, and there he is, the man himself, Father Christmas. And there's Marybeth, and she's offering him some fruit. And it's started to snow again. There's Princess Froggy. Oh, looks like one of the guys has had too much brandy and he's fallen over, because that's the pub.